Hello, this is Dr. G.K. Kapoor, former professor, Business and Corporate Laws, IMI, New Delhi. Friends, I recorded a talk on Powers of the Mind, Volume 1 or Part 1. Today I am going to record Part 2 of that Powers of the Mind. In my last lecture on the powers of the mind, I told you that the spiritual thinkers have identified 4 levels of the mind, namely conscious mind, subconscious mind, unconscious mind, and the superconscious mind. Today I'll talk about the powers of the subconscious mind. It's the wonderful, miraculous, and most effective tool that the God has given to the human beings. Anything manifesting in the material world first manifests itself in the mind. Whatever you want, you can draw forth. A magnetized piece of steel can lift about 12 times its weight. And if you demagnetize the same piece of steel, it will not lift even a feather. Similarly, says Dr. Joseph Murphy, there are 2 types of men. There are magnetized men who are full of confidence and faith. Then there are demagnetized men who are full of fears and doubts. The demagnetized men cannot go far in life. So be a magnetized man and you will achieve whatever you want to in life. Within your subconscious depths lie infinite wisdom, infinite power, and infinite supply of all that is necessary, says Dr. Joseph Murphy, an eminent researcher on the powers of the subconscious mind, and his book has been one of the best sellers. Though invisible, powers of the subconscious mind are mighty. It can find the right buyer for your home, an ideal business associate, solve your tax problems. In fact, you will find solution for every problem. Through the hidden powers that you can draw from the subconscious, you come into actual possession of the power and wisdom necessary to move forward in abundance, security, joy, and dominion. The law of your mind is the law of belief. The belief of your mind is the thought of your mind and nothing else. Thought is incipient action. The reaction is the response from your subconscious mind, which corresponds with the nature of your thought. Therefore, busy yourself with the concepts of harmony, health, peace, and goodwill, and wonders will happen in your life. Dr. Joseph Murphy narrates an interesting anecdote of a 75-year-old woman. He says, after listening to his lectures, she says, within quotes, I began to repeat frequently, with feeling the following words: I am wanted. I am happily married to a kind, loving, and spiritual minded man. I am secure. And I kept on doing this many times a day for about 2 weeks. And one day at the corner drugstore, I was introduced to a retired pharmacist. I found him to be kind, understanding, and very religious. Within a week, he proposed to me, and now we are on our honeymoon in Europe. Rhonda Byrne has narrated many such episodes in her book, The Secret. A Hollywood film has also been made on Rhonda Byrne's book, The Secret. Thus, you can create the future the way you visualize. The only condition is that you should seriously see yourself in that position and have no doubts or fears. It will then be only a matter of time that your visualizations will turn into a reality. A good, healthy life is therefore awaiting you, and it costs nothing than an unsuspected faith and belief that you possess it. And mentally, you are already into it, enjoying it, and soon it becomes real. So be happy, dream big, and enjoy your life of abundance.